Hi, BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. So last month, as I posted, Microsoft rolled out a Photos app update to the insiders in the Windows 11 Insider program, which included a new background remove and replace tool, along with some other improvements. Now, just to let you know that if you are using the Photos app, that on Windows 10 and Windows 11, the same upgrade has rolled out, which I received today on the 5th of December in my region. So you may have seen this, you may have not, but just letting you know in case you are unaware. Now, we get 3 feature updates with this version upgrade. And to check if we have the latest version, we head to our settings in the Photos app. And the latest version in bold is 2023.111.29.003.0, and that applies to both Windows 10 and Windows 11. Now, at this stage, unfortunately, out of the 3 new features we have received with this update, which are small yet significant improvements, at this stage, the first new feature is not available for Windows 10, which is the ability now to be able to remove the background of your photo or replace the background with a color. So this first new feature is not available for Windows 10. The other 2 features are available for Windows 10. So if you are running Windows 11, and if you want to just try out this new feature, we can just head to an image, just open that quickly. And if we head to the image editor, edit image, here you'll see that over and above the background blur, which I did post on previously, we now get remove and replace. So if we click on that, you can see it's removed the background. And by the way, these 2 features, as we can see, are still in preview, although they have rolled out to the stable version. So expect maybe 1 or 2 glitches or bugs. So we can remove that background, and we can also replace the selected background area with a color. So just to demonstrate, here we go. Here's the color picker, and you get the idea. So I think this is a nice, handy improvement, being able to remove and replace the background with a color. And as mentioned, this first new feature only available for Windows 11. Now moving on to the next feature, and these next 2, as mentioned, are available now for Windows 10. And if we just head to an image, you'll notice now that the Filmstrip has been removed from the bottom of the image, which if you want to access, you can just click on this little toggle in the bottom left-hand corner, show Filmstrip, and there we go. Or you can just use the F key on your keyboard, and there we go. And if you want to remove it, you just hit F again. And while we are talking about the Filmstrip, something else I've just noticed that isn't mentioned in the release notes is that the zoom controls and the full screen options have been moved from the top here, from the top right to the bottom right. So that's just a small little change, which isn't mentioned in the actual release notes for this version upgrade. And then the third improvement that's also rolled out for both Windows 10 and Windows 11 is if you just head to a folder, you'll notice now that the Timeline Scrollbar here to the right-hand side is now accessible in all folders, where previously the Timeline Scrollbar was only available in all photos in the main menu. So, as I say, 3 small yet significant features rolling out for the Photos app, which previously was being tested in the Insider program, and these 3 new features have now been made available in the stable versions of Windows 10 and Windows 11. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.